So if you want to downgrade any of your iPhone device from iOS 26 down to iOS 18, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that you can take to downgrade your iPhone device from iOS 26 down to iOS 18. And as you can see, this is an iPhone 12 and it is currently running on iOS 26. So make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I will show you how to fix this. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do before you start downgrading your iPhone device from iOS 26 down to iOS 18 is to first of all go to the settings. Then you make sure that you turn off Find My iPhone, which is the same way as sign out your iCloud. Alright, so to back up your personal data so that you will not lose any of your personal details during this process. So after doing the backup, then the next thing that you have to do is to launch this powerful software called ReiBoot. Once you install it, this is how the interface is going to look like. So you can see that the interface is looking pretty simple and easy to navigate. And all we are going to need is the iOS upgrade and downgrade feature. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is to click on it. And then we are going to select the downgrade option. So by now you have turned off your Find My iPhone off, and you have also backupped your iPhone details so that you will not lose any of your details during this process. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to connect the device to the PC using a quality USB cable. Then we will click on downgrade. And when you click on downgrade, you will find a couple of iOS versions here, and you will see the latest iOS version, which is iOS 18.6.2, and that is the latest iOS version. And all you have to do is to click on download, and then it is going to start downloading immediately. Alright, so once the download is complete, then the installation will begin. Alright, so since I have already downloaded the firmware, I'm just going to cancel this. You click on stop. Then I'm going to import local firmware. So I'll just go and navigate to where I have saved the firmware, which is the iOS 18.6.2. So let me quickly navigate and find where I have saved it, and here it is. So you can see that the firmware package is ready to install, initiating downgrade. Now if you want to download this firmware, it is very easy. All you need to do is just go straight to your browser, and then you will find the iOS 18.6.2. Then you download it from there. Alright, so you can see it. You just quickly download it, and you can also download it directly from the ReiBoot software. So once you are done importing the firmware, you click initiating downgrade. So just go ahead and read the instructions here, which says you are about to perform cross version downgrade, which will erase all data on your device. So please confirm whether to continue downgrade. Alright, so since we've already backed up our data, we've already signed out, everything is perfect and we are good to go. So you just click on continue. So now we are going to wait and allow the firmware downgrade to verify the firmware before we proceed. Alright, as we can all see, the downgrade is completely successful, and you can find out that the device also is now in iOS 18.6.2, and this is exactly the most simple way to downgrade your device from iOS 26 down to iOS 18. And we can also confirm from here that the device is now in iOS 18.6.2, as we can all see on the screen. All right, so I'm going to leave a link in the description, which you can follow the link to the official website of Tenorshare, and you can be able to download the ReiBoot software from there, and you can also go through the features, which you can see that it has a lot of features. It's like all-in-one tool that you can use to fix your mobile phone device, ranging from the software safely iOS upgrade and downgrade, free enter recovery mode, backup and restore your iPhone, so many features. And you can go ahead and download the Windows version, and you should also take note that the free iBoot software is not completely free, so you should check out their payment plan for subscription. And once you click on the free download, it is going to redirect you and download successfully. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.